Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up an emergency solar power system. Please take note that this is for emergency use only. Basically, you need three primary components to generate off-grid power. The first component is the solar panel or the PV module. Actually, they come in different sizes. The biggest I have seen is as big as a door. Here's 10-watt solar panel. The second component is the solar charge controller. This is very cheap. You can purchase this device on online market. For better energy conversion, it's strongly recommended to use MPPT type. Of course, it's more expensive. And the third component is the battery to store the energy. This is a valve-regulated lead-acid battery. You can use car battery anyway. And in case you need to turn on any device with AC current, then you need an inverter to convert the DC power from the battery to AC current. But it's optional. Alright, before I show you how to wire this up, I'm gonna give you a quick explanation about how it works. Here's the basic explanation. The energy from the sun is absorbed and converted to electrical energy or electricity. Then it goes to solar charge controller. Then the function of the solar charge controller is to regulate or to balance the power, the voltage, the current, something like that. I bet you have a tricky question. Why don't we just directly connect the solar panel to battery? Alright, here's the answer. The output voltage generated by solar panel is too high for the battery. Obviously, it will damage the battery. You can see here, this is only 10-watt solar panel and it's able to generate more than 20 volts only from morning sun. Therefore, we need a solar charge controller to regulate the power which is suitable for charging batteries. Let's wire these things. The first step, we have to connect the battery to the solar charge controller. Please take note, do not connect the solar panel first before you connect the battery to this controller. It will burn the controller. This solar charge controller has 6 terminals which are divided into 3 connection groups. This group here goes to solar panel, and this one in the middle is connected to battery, and the last one is for 12 volt DC output or the load. It also has USB slot which can be used to charge phone or any USB device. Just insert the wire to the slot, then tight it up. Once they are attached, then connect it to the battery, positive to positive, negative to negative. Then when we are already connected, the controller shows the voltage or the battery capacity. Here I have 12.5, meaning that this battery is good and it has enough power. The following step is to connect the wire from solar panel to the solar charge controller. Positive to positive, negative to negative. As you connect it, a symbol appears in this display. The blinking arrow sign indicates that the solar panel is charging the battery. The last step is to connect the load terminal. Actually, you can also take the load directly from the battery. If you use the load from this controller, the controller automatically cut off the load as the battery running low. This method, of course, will save the battery lifetime. Now you can use it for any purposes. If you need lighting, you can just connect 12 DC light bulb. Or you can also use the USB port to charge phone, or if you have an inverter, you can use to charge your laptop, or you can charge your phone from this inverter. That's it. Thanks for watching.